Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Apple shares, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching Apple Inc. Visit financial news websites and explore financial forums. Understand the company's performance, growth potential, and market position. Create an account with a reputable brokerage firm. Choose a platform that suits your investment needs. Ensure the brokerage offers access to U.S. stock markets. Complete the account registration process by providing personal information. Fund your brokerage account using a bank transfer or debit card. Check for any minimum deposit requirements before funding. Decide how much money you want to invest in Apple shares. Evaluate your financial situation and investment goals. Use the brokerage platform to search for Apple's stock ticker symbol, Apple. Review Apple's current stock price and any recent news that may affect it. Determine the number of shares you wish to purchase. Consider using limit orders to set a price at which you want to buy. Confirm your order details and execute the trade. Monitor your investment by tracking Apple's performance over time. Stay informed about any company news or market changes that could impact stock value. Consider your exit strategy and how you'll decide when to sell. Regularly reassess your investment portfolio and adjust as needed. Consult with a financial advisor if you're unsure about your investment choices. Stay patient and think long-term with your investment strategy. Remember, investing carries risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Educate yourself continuously to make informed investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.